The Nuwave Combi Steam Oven is your all-in-one solution for versatile cooking, combining the power of steam and air frying for a crispy and juicy meal every time. It's more affordable than you expect, so make sure to check the price in the description below. This oven offers 120 easy cook presets and 50 memory slots, allowing you to quickly prepare a wide variety of meals with ease. Whether you're cooking with air fry, steam, or even sous vide, you'll love the flavor-locking technology that gives you up to 35% crispier results with 95% less oil. The temperature ranges from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you fine-tune your cooking, whether you're preparing a roast, a quick meal, or gourmet dishes. The adjustable moisture levels, from 10% to 90%, ensure every dish is perfectly cooked with the ideal texture. Plus, with its large 16-quart capacity and full accessories, you can make meals for the whole family at once, and it's easy to clean afterward. Health-conscious cooking has never been easier. The Nuwave Combi Steam Oven allows for sous vide cooking with zero bags or water baths. Just precise, low heat and perfect moisture for tender, juicy dishes every time. It's a healthier, more eco-friendly way to cook your favorite meals. Additionally, this innovative oven is perfect for toasting breads and pastries, achieving bakery-style results with steam and heat. Whether you're baking artisan bread, making desserts like crème brûlée, or simply toasting sandwich bread, the Nuwave Combi handles it all with precision. In summary, the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven is a must-have for any kitchen. With its advanced cooking technology, large capacity, and healthy cooking options, it's the perfect all-in-one appliance for modern meal preparation. Don't forget to check the price in the description below.